Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the phone to vibrate when a name is spoken in live transcribe on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon, then scroll down and tap on accessibility, then tap on hearing enhancements. In here, you go down and tap on live transcribe. Next, tap on open live transcribe. And at the bottom here, tap on the settings icon. Now tap on more settings. Then scroll down to the bottom. And then tap on vibrate when name is spoken. In the list here, you need to add in a list of names that you want to allow the phone to vibrate when that particular name is spoken. So here we can put in, say, David, then tap on done. So your phone should vibrate when it hears the name David. So my phone just vibrated just now when it hears the name David. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.